Minpas presents you Watech, the app that allows you to calculate and verify all the design phases of a wastewater treatment plant. All the processes included in the app are visible here in the left menu. We are talking about preliminary, primary, biological, tertiary, and sludge treatments. This includes operations such as core screen, pumping station, grit chambers, grease removal, primary sedimentation, biological treatments, disinfection, aerobic digestion, thickening, dewatering, and more. Starting with the first page, the wastewater characteristics, with all the input parameters, we can see how it's possible to change the values within the cells. Remember that for updating, you have to tap on the icon in the right upper side of the screen. All over this app, you will find 3 different kinds of cell. Orange, these are the input parameters to insert. Blue, you can insert a value, but you can also use the one suggested by the app. These values obtained from this screen or others. White, these values are the calculation results. Let's move on to the second page, where we have the course screen. In the third one, where we have the pumping stations, we can try and change the data, entering the number of pumps and their capacity, and obtain the verification of the entered data. Moving on to the fourth one, where we have the grit chambers, we can see how it's possible to select 3 different types: the horizontal flow grit chambers, the aerated grit chambers, the vortex type. We will now choose one as an example. Let's quickly look at the fifth page, grease removal. Then let's move on to the next one, where we have the primary sedimentation. Let us dwell now on the main core of the calculations provided by Watech, the biological treatments. 4 are in fact the types currently provided: 1 with the only removal of BOD, 1 with nitrification, 1 with pre-anoxic denitrification, and 1 with SBR. Let's choose one to see the structure inside. Each type provides the input data, the solution section, and the secondary tank. In the tertiary treatment, we have the disinfection, where we can choose between 2 types, with peracetic acid, with sodium hypochlorite. Let's now choose one as an example. And finally, you can see the sludge line, where we can note, as well as the input values, 3 types of treatments: the thickness calculation, the aerobic digestion, the dewatering. Obviously, it's possible to design or verify the wastewater treatment plant totally or partially if what we need is only a specific section. Once all the required data has been entered, it is possible to save the project, so you'll be able to reopen it whenever you need to. Finally, it is possible to get the calculation report on your email by entering here the required data and by clicking on the Generate Report button. Very soon the app will be expanded with new treatment sections such as the MBR treatment, anaerobic digestion, chemical phosphorus removal, equalization tanks, flotation. For any questions or clarifications, please send us an email directly from the app, or, if you prefer, to our email address info@minpas.com.